Tac Toe game in Power Pages in less than 5 minutes. Let's go. Step 1, go to cursor.com and download this IDE, and it is similar to VS Code. So I'm just opening this VS Code for you guys. So it exactly looks like VS Code, and then you can also see like there are extensions. I have installed the Power Platform Tools extension, and I have downloaded one of the Power Pages site for your reference. Step 2, which is once you downloaded the portal, then you see that the web pages. So what we need to do is go to this web pages and then right click Power Pages, new web page, and then let's call it as a name, Tic Tac Toe game. And then I need to select my template, and then I would like to nest it under home page. So in few seconds it will create a web page for us. So just give it a minute, and yeah, so let's see. Yes, so you can see the page has been created for us. And then so this is the step 3, which is like you can see here. So on the top, which is the toggle AI pane, so this is the one we want. And then all you need to do is just drag and drop this HTML, and I am just going to do a prompt, which is a simple prompt which I already created. I'm just going to do the copy paste. So all I'm saying is create a simple tic-tac-toe game using HTML, CSS, blah blah blah, and then I want the detection. And also interestingly, this is the cool part, which is I want a welcome message using liquid language displayed at the start of the game, greeting the players dynamically, right? So here is the, make sure you have you select this cloudy sonnet model, which is a really cool model, and then hit submit button. And in few seconds, I think you can see the magic. So what it is going to do is it is going to build the complete tic-tac-toe game for us, including the the game logic. So no need to manually write the JavaScript. So the AI is going to do it for us completely, and also with the restart button and 3x3 grid, etc. Right? So let's see the magic in action. Now this is the cool part. Now you can see like almost all of the code is coming in for us, and also it has written a logic for us and the explanation. So you can also see like liquid syntax on the top, and then if you would like to read through, I am just going to accept this file. I just noticed a small thing, so it is actually doing a raw here, so I don't want to display a raw. There are some little things which you can play around, but it's very cool. By default, you can refine your prompt, make sure you hit save, right? And step 4, which is like we need to upload this game to the Power Pages using PAC CLI, because it's already similar. As I mentioned, it is similar to VS Code, so exactly using the PAC CLI. All I'm going to do is, hey PAC CLI, can you please upload this to the path? And the model version 2 indicates it is an enhanced data model. So all I'm going to do is just uploading this web page, and then you can see it started doing the upload. So the cool thing is now if I go back to the design studio, you can see in few seconds that page will be added here under the home. It's called tic-tac-toe game. Yeah, that's cool. So that's already been updated within 9 seconds. So if I go back and then hit the refresh, you may probably see the tic-tac-toe game. Yeah, here you go. So the tic-tac-toe game which we created is already appearing in the portal, and interestingly you can also see, which is the real cool thing, so we can also see a liquid logic which has been written. So just hit the sync button, and then this is the final step, which is demoing or doing the demo of the final product. So go to the home page and then just do the refresh, and then if you go to tic-tac-toe game, so this is our output, and you can also see my name is populated automatically using the liquid code. Imagine the power of AI. So you can do any kind of logic using this Cursor AI, which is really cool. And I'm just going to start this game. So let's say I'm an X player. I wanted to do, hey, here you go. So I won. I hope you enjoy this small tutorial. I think you can see the power of AI. Thank you for listening, guys. Thank you.